time, this is going to be incredible. And I got to tell you, this ball is absolutely gorgeous. Over the last 100 years, they have had 7 different balls. There are 2,700 waterproof crystals on that bad boy. It's 12 feet in diameter, and it's about 12,000 pounds. And to kind of put that into perspective for you, that's the size of an adult elephant. It's coming down here in Times Square. Once it hits the ground, the 2013 is going to be lighting
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Let me know when it's time, alright? It's surprising, and no, my 315 is not that loud. As you see, I put in a volume screw. So, YouTube, happy 2013. Yep, 2013, a great year to come. Awesome. Also, a quick overview of my system. You have a Faraday 1032, 10-123-1 transformer. I don't remember the volt. And the Vibratone 350B1. This is a weird voltage, 6 volts. You can see right here. And anyway, Happy New Year! Well, already did it, but still. Happy 2013, YouTube. 2012 has been a great year, and each of you makes it count. Happy New Year. Electronic was 101, signing off from a video that took place over 2 years, literally took place in 2012, 2013. Happy New Year.